In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash GPS not updating your location. Let's get started. If your location is stuck, inaccurate, or not uploading while you are driving, there are several things you can try. First, make sure your location services are enabled on your phone. Launch Settings. Scroll down, click on the option Privacy and Security. Click on Location Services. Toggle on for the option Location Services. From the list of apps, find DoorDash and launch it. And make sure you have allowed location access for it. Next, check that your phone's GPS is turned on. For Android users, enabling high accuracy location mode can improve GPS performance. You should also verify that you have strong internet connection. GPS tracking relies on both satellite signals and data connectivity. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, toggle on for the option Airplane Mode. Wait for about 30 seconds and disable it. This resets your phone's network connections and can help restore accurate location tracking. Likewise, you can give a first restart to your device. Then check for app update, navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app DoorDash. If you see the option of update, click on it. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact DoorDash Dashers support. There may be a temporary system issue or an account-specific problem affecting your GPS tracking. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix DoorDash GPS not updating your location. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.